o'clock in the morning, feel pretty good. Since I traveled to the luxury of the lords, fighting dragons and crossing swords, with the people against the hordes came to conquer. 7 o'clock in the morning, here it comes, it is the one. I'm so amazed, and today